Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how we connect two switches and two PCs at the same time and using Telnet between the switch to remote control the other switch. Alright, so first of all we need two PCs here and here, okay, and two switches. Let's choose this one for example. Okay, so we connect them, this PC to the switch and this switch to the switch and from the switch to the PC. Okay, so first of all let's configure, for example, this one that we need to telnet. Okay, so let's configure this one. The switch is enable. Oh, sorry. There is a trick actually you can do, is simulation real time. Press it many times. Is a trick, so it speeds the processing. Alright, so enable. Okay, you configuration terminal, then enable password or enable secrets. We will name it this one as Cisco. Okay, so that's the requirements of the commands in Cisco that you need to have a telnet for. Okay, after we name it Cisco, we go to line VTY04 for the sessions. From outside we type the password is Cisco123. Okay, so I will show you what's the difference exactly. Actually Telnet is not good, but we need to use SSH. SSH is better than Telnet because Telnet have a bad security than SSH. I need to show you that in later videos, but for now we will show you the connection of the Telnet and how we set up the Telnet. Okay, so sorry, we need to go back. Line VTY04, log in. You need to log in. Okay, so press to log in. Okay, exit, then interface VLAN 1. Just we need to set up the IP address 10.1.1.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It doesn't matter about the subnet mask. Okay, and no shutdown, and here we go. We save this configuration. Let's go to the other switch, this one. Okay, go to the CLI, enable, config. In this one I'm just going to have interface VLAN 1, IP address 10. You can set up the same as the one before, but right now I'm just want to telnet to that switch. Okay, so I'm just now setting my VLAN to an IP address so I can connect to that switch. Okay, so with 2, that switch with 1, 255.255.255.0. no shutdown. Okay, so can we ping 10.1.1.1? Yes, we can. Here we go. Okay, so let's say telnet 10.1.1.1. Yes, we can. User access. So, and when I log in here, I need to type Cisco123 because that there I write Cisco123. See here, line VTY04. So when you enter first, you'll type this the password Cisco123. But after, when you enable, you'll type Cisco because on that switch we write show run. This is another way we can do it. Actually, in the secret, because I can't see the secret. Okay, it is it's Cisco. Let's see it here. Yeah, enable secrets Cisco. If I enable by password, it will not be Cisco actually. So let's try that again. Configuration. No. So we will reject that command. No secrets No, enable secret Cisco. No, enable secret, I mean, okay. Enable password Cisco. It just, the difference is this one is not secured while the secret is more secure. So show run, see, enable secret Cisco, and enable password Cisco, okay? Now I'm entering from this switch, I'm entering this switch by using Telnet. That's how like I'm using a remote control. Thank you very much. I hope this is interesting to watch, and see you in the next videos. I appreciate it. If you need any help or a question, please put it in the description. Thank you very much.